If you're over 50 and you feel like there's too much to keep up with these latest AI developments, this video is for you. In this video, I'm going to reveal 3 AI courses that you can take to get an understanding of AI. All of them are beginner friendly and there are no tech jargons involved. This is especially applicable for people who are over 50, who are not retired yet and want to live their life with a new purpose, both personally and professionally. In the last 14 years in tech, I have worked across 2 of the most iconic cities in the world, London and Dubai. And I've met some incredibly focused people and high achievers. And the one thing that stands out in them is their ability to adapt to changing times. In the current times, when AI has come like a storm, the one thing that will separate the high achievers from others is how quickly they leverage the power of AI in their work and business. Some are scared, some are excited, and some want to know how does this beast work so that they don't get left behind. And you know how over 50s can take advantage of this? By combining the years of wisdom with the knowledge of AI. The courses that I'm going to reveal today will break down AI in simple words, like how a car works without asking you to build the engine. So let's get started. The first course is Elements of AI. It's created by the University of Helsinki. This course is perfect if you want to understand what is AI without getting lost in those technical jargons. Think of it as a crash course in what AI is, what it can do, what it can't do, and most importantly, how it's already shaping the world around us. No coding, no complicated maths. Just real, practical knowledge anyone can understand. And here's the crazy part. Over 750,000 people from 170 plus countries have already signed up for this course. It's like a global movement of curious people learning AI without becoming programmers. It's completely free. It takes around 30 hours to complete and you can do it at your own pace. This course has 2 parts. Part 1 is Introduction to AI for absolute beginners. It tells you exactly what's possible in AI and what's not possible and how it affects our lives with no complicated math or programming required, just a curiosity to learn. It has 6 modules that talk about AI, problem solving, real-world AI, machine learning, neural networks, and implications of AI. For those who want to go a little deeper, there's Part 2, Building AI, which is a little bit advanced. You can move between the difficulty levels from multiple choice exercises to programming with Python, depending on whether you know programming or not. Part 2 is super helpful for people who want to build AI applications. But feel free to completely skip it if it's not for you. It's not mandatory. Part 1 should be enough to give you a basic understanding of AI and start having conversations around it. Now, here's why I think this course is especially helpful for people over 50. It gives you a basic understanding of how AI works, and this is the kind of course that shows your employers or customers, hey, I understand where the world is heading. I know how AI impacts business, and I'm ready to lead conversations around it. And let's be real, this is a powerful position to be in. This course cuts the fluff and focuses on real-world applications, ethical questions, and how AI impacts jobs, healthcare, media, and society. It offers not just knowledge but empowerment, something that's extra special for over 50s. It helps you how to engage with AI thoughtfully. By the end of the course, you'll get a sense of confidence and digital literacy to enable you to participate in conversations about the modern world, be it around technology, personal life, volunteer work, or business. The next course is one of the best courses for beginners, which is Google AI for anyone. The name says it all. It's for anyone who's curious to learn about AI, even if you have zero technical background. This course by Google will help you understand the basics. It will tell you what exactly is AI, how does it even work in real life. Think about Netflix recommendations, voice assistants like Siri, or even self-driving cars. And most importantly, how can you start using it without feeling lost? They even give you fun little exercises like teaching a computer to recognize pictures or sounds. And no, you don't need to know coding for this. The best part, this course is free. But if you want an official certificate from Google, you'll have to pay $299. I'm sure you'll agree that it'll look perfect on your CV or LinkedIn profile. And it's also flexible. You can do it at your own pace, maybe 2 to 3 hours a week, and finish it in about 4 weeks. You'll find it on edX and it's co-created by Google, so you can be rest assured that it's legit. Now, let me be honest here. This course is for beginners. It won't make you an AI expert overnight. But if you're looking to pivot your career, having a certificate by Google on AI is a really solid conversation starter in interviews. And who knows, it might just open new doors you never thought existed. And like I said, you can combine your wealth of wisdom with the knowledge of AI to stand out. And I'm sure this will give you an edge over your peers who do not know anything about AI. Now, you might be thinking, is it even worth spending $299 on this course? So here's something interesting. A recent study by Deloitte found that companies using AI at scale are 1.6 times more likely to see big revenue growth. So trust me, the demand for people who have AI skills is only going up. And it's not just for tech companies, it's across the board. We are talking healthcare, retail, manufacturing, education. Everyone is looking for people who can apply AI to real business problems. It's a powerful course because it focuses on the practical, everyday uses of AI, not just theory or complex code. It is designed for absolute beginners and it teaches you how to interact with AI tools like chatbots, writing assistants, and smart image generators, all with real-world examples. And for people over 50, this means that they can quickly learn how to use AI to write emails, organize trips, manage tasks, summarize documents. This course also covers AI ethics and safety, helping older adults navigate today's digital world with confidence, including the understanding of deepfakes, privacy, and responsible use of AI. By the end of the course, you will feel more digitally competent, empowered to explore modern tools without depending on anybody else. And you'll also get a certificate from Google, which means that it's a bonus for people who are still working in consulting, learning and development, or mentoring. In short, it's not just about understanding AI. It's about how to make life easier, smarter, and more fun. Course 3 is Introduction to ChatGPT. It is a beginner course on ChatGPT and AI. If you see people around you are using ChatGPT like a pro, but you struggle at it, this course is the solution to all your struggles. In this course, you will learn what is ChatGPT and how to use in everyday life in simple language without any complicated jargons. You'll understand how ChatGPT understands and responds to your questions and how you can get the most of it. This course will also tell you how ChatGPT can be used in different walks of life like business, education, writing. In this course, you'll also get to know how to ask the right questions to AI so that it gives you the most appropriate responses, and also why it makes mistakes sometimes and how you can avoid those errors. By the way, if you understand how to work with ChatGPT, you can apply it to any general purpose AI tool like Google Gemini or Claude or DeepSeek. And the better you understand these tools, you will be better prepared to take advantage of this AI shift that's changing the world around us. If you have reached this far, thank you for watching. If you're over 50 and want to learn about AI, remember, it's never too late to learn about anything. All you need is curiosity and the attitude to learn. These courses can help you stay confident and more connected in today's fast-changing world. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more such content. If you have any specific questions or you want me to cover a particular topic, please comment below. I'd love to hear from you. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care and bye-bye.